Okay, so we're gonna be playing some Flood Escape. Flood Escape. Okay, there we go. Okay, now here's Flood Escape. Oh, there's a lot of trolls of them. Seriously, no joke. Are you kidding me? Okay, so we're gonna be playing with our fans, with my fans actually. So it's gonna be like a like a meet and greet or something, I guess. I don't know, but actually no, it's not really like a meet and greet. Well, they did meet and greet me at like at crap, what was it? They did meet me at Jailbreak, and this guy is Lance. If you remember him in the last video, he gave me that disgusting game. Disgusting. Disgusting. Hey guys, come on. I hate when the camera does this. Seriously. Okay, get in. Come on, -y. Dude. In here! Right now! Indiato! Indin! Yay. Yay, he's in. Medium's pretty good. Oh, wow. She's got a gravity coil. Amazing. Wait, do I have one? Nope. Bro, this guy right here, my fan, Lance, he's at the top. He's literally the, oh man, I was missing out on this game. Bruh, has to be fun. This has to be fun. That's some great English. I know, guys. I know I have great English. Don't. Oh crap! I'm about to get. Hey! That's all I'm saying. One left. One player left. Until we die. Bro, I need to wear like a hat. It's like I should just wear like a like a like doggy hat. Just hey, what's up, guys? How you doing? If you bored, you can spectate if you want. But what if you get bored? You get bored of watching and spectating. Oh, I forgot. Watch my vids. Yeah. Round starting. This makes me feel like this guy isn't even my friend anymore. It's just like a bot in the game. He's like he's like round starting, and you even put like literally like he acted out. Oh god. Escaped facility. Oh, that's a dumb idea. Ooh, I know you're hanging. Yes, I made I made it. Yeah, B boy, B boy. I made it. Cool. Oh no, he didn't die, did he? No. Did he? Bro, he's on our team. Where is he? Bro, he has to be somewhere. Literally, he has to be somewhere. He's nowhere in here. Where is he? Are we missing someone? Excuse me, are we? You're beautiful. Ah! Oh god. Eee! Only one person. Jesus! Get back up in the. Yay! my fan said, "Get back up and never stop, seahorse." And he's like, "Yay!" I'm like, "Yay!" No, no, no! 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 I died! Are you kidding me? Me? Get in there. Yes! It's not full at least. No, then we concentrate. Oh crap, I forgot I'm gonna get copyrighted by freaking Gino Eichel. There. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, this map again. We can just do this. Go over here. Oh, this is a different turn. Wow. Nope. Imagine I just died at the second. 8 players. Dude, get over here. Oh, and he's dead. Oh, well, get. Oh, I hate this place. Bro, this guy's sprinting, man. Bro, how do you sprint, man? Does that even go anywhere? Nope, it does not. So we can just go back here, and then, oh, we're stuck. Yes! They try to block it off, but really you cannot get against. Oh god. Eh. No, no! Oh, oh, and your friend died. Huh, yeah. Yeah, and your classic YouTuber died. Oh man, I feel so bad for my. Oh, and I just did something wrong. Oh, nope, 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 lol. No, RPC was 155. Okay, now I'm gonna have to spectate. Oh, oh, there it is. The medium. Players medium. I said medium. Easy? Nope. Oh, everyone's dead. Okay. Yes! At least it's not full. Other did? Oh, okay. Well, we're doing this. Well, we're doing this. Nope. No! How'd they make it? Literally, how'd they make it? Okay. Oh my god. I'm gonna wait till the next game starts, so I'm gonna be AFK. Alright, guys, so we're starting a new game, but this time we're doing it in a hard. Oh, how'd this guy get in? Oh, and we're doing this. Oh, I hate this. Is it supposed to be slippery? Because I don't think so. Yeah. Um, to just stop. No, stop him. Yeet. Yes! Oh, okay. Oh no, there's only 3 players left. Nope, nope. Huh, no. Huh, no. No! A big jump. I hate those things. No. This guy's wearing some RHS merch. Wow. I'm guessing that is the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Join your family if you can. And okay, so make sure to like and subscribe. Join your family if you can. And peace out, evolutions. Yeah.